won't believe how much money this Mythology and Legends channel is making every month from uploading videos that are crazy simple to make using only AI. And if you take a closer look, all they do is create simple voiceovers and mix it with a bunch of visuals to create this type of videos. Like, on a serious note, they have only uploaded less than 41 videos and are already making serious money. The best part is that they have an RPM of 7.2. But if we go to Social Blade and search for the channel, it will say that the channel is making between $3 to $52 per month, which is absolute cap. Why I say that is because Social Blade bases their low end on an RPM of 0.25 and a high end of 4. So if a channel's RPM falls inside that range, it may be somewhat accurate, but in this case, this channel has an RPM of 7.2. I've done the calculations already and found out they're making a total of $4.697 from ad revenue per month, which is just crazy to me, and to show you how simple it is to make this video. Here, a short clip of the video I was able to make in less than 30 minutes that is similar to the one the Mythology and Legends uploaded to their channel.
Aphrodite, born from the sea foam, created by the castration of Uranus by Cronus. She emerged from the waves, carried by the gentle breeze of Zephyrus, and was welcomed by the Ori, guardians of the heavens. Aphrodite grew in beauty and charm under the guidance of the Ori, who adorned her with golden gifts and taught her the arts of seduction. The scandalous love affairs of Aphrodite, including her marriage to Hephaestus, the god of craftsmanship, and her passionate trysts with Ares, the god of war, delve into the deception, jealousy, and revenge.
Simple, right? Now listen, I want to share a secret method with you that I haven't seen literally anyone talk about on YouTube. This is something that happens quite a lot. This guru's baiting you and promising easy riches overnight. To put it simple, most of these strategies do not work. All this video focus on is their own views and selling you dreams. But don't worry, because what I'm about to share with you is something only the masters at the game know, and people usually paying thousands of dollars for this buying courses. But I'm here for you. I will show you the step-by-step process so you can do this yourself. From running multiple faceless channels. This is the type of video I wish had when I was starting out. This is the real deal, guys. You will thank me later for this. So make sure to pay attention and watch the video till the end, as I'm going to show you how you can start your own YouTube automation channel using only AI. Anyways, this is a 7-step video. Make sure to follow along. There will be timestamps below, so feel free to navigate to whichever part of the video you like. Step 1. You will need to create a new channel and a branding. So obviously on the right side, click on your profile icon. Now click switch account, and all the way at the bottom click view. All channels, now hit create a channel just like that. Now choose a name for the channel. I had already come up with a channel name beforehand when I was thinking about how my channel would be, and I came up with Gods of Mythology, which I thought would be sick. But if you're struggling to come up with a name for your channel, then just head over to ChatGPT and ask it to provide you with some Mythology and Legends related name ideas. Feel free to copy this prompt to generate your own unique ideas. Now pick the name that you like and simply copy it. Now paste it into your name field. Next, tell ChatGPT what name you chose and ask it for a short channel's description that is simple to understand English and has a lot of Mythology and Legends popular related keyword. This will help your channel show up in search when people search for similar keywords. Copy and paste it in your description section. Now we need some ideas for our channel logo, so go back to ChatGPT and ask it to provide you with some ideas for your logo, and make sure to tell it that it's a Mythology and Legends channel. Once it's done, go to Krea and paste the prompt. Once done, you can upscale the image if you want. Then download the image and go upload it to your channel. Step 2. Find a gap in the market. Now there are multiple ways of doing this, but I'm going to show you one powerful way of doing it in this video, so make sure to subscribe, as I will be revealing other effective ways of finding gaps in the market, which is the first step every big YouTuber does before even holding their camera or mic. This way they already know their video will go viral before even uploading it to their channel. But still, this one method alone is by far probably one of the best and fastest way of finding a gap in the market. So we will be using Vid IQ for this. So firstly, if you don't already, you will need to install Vid IQ to your Chrome extension. Launch Vid IQ, create your free account, then click on keywords here. But first you want to type in a keyword in the YouTube search bar of your topic, in this case Mythology and Legends. Now wait for result to show, then filter the search by most views and this month. Now what we want to do is look through your competitors' channels and look for a channel that is new, yet their videos are constantly getting around 100K views. And what this means is that there is a gap in the market, and you can make similar videos to that, or just look for outliers. For example, if there is a certain topic that hasn't been touched yet, that you can make a video on, or if there is a certain thumbnail style that they use in their videos that you can incorporate into your own thumbnails. Literally anything. The goal is to look for patterns that the competitors are using to win over the audience. But once you find a video, copy their title, then paste it in Vidic. Usually it should come back with a result of high search and low competition. And we know that already because the competitor has already done the heavy lifting work for us, so let's see if my predictions were right. Ding ding ding. But if that wasn't the case for you, that would simply mean that the keywords are no longer trending and that we have to find a new one. Repeat the process till you make it. The goal is to find keywords that are highly searched and have medium to low competition. If you're still struggling with this method, I have a bonus secret strategy that I use to generate topics for my videos. First, head over to ChatGPT and paste in secret prompt that I have in the Google Docs in the description. It's a really long prompt, so do copy and paste it instead of writing it word for word, or else it will take you the whole day. Now, as you can see, it says to begin analyzing the YouTube titles and data. I'll need some initial information from you. Could you please provide the niche or category for which you are interested in analyzing YouTube video performance? So to do this, we will go back to our channel filter by most popular, then copy all their titles like this. Now go back to ChatGPT and paste all the titles so it can start analyzing the title and data for you. Now this is the interesting part. ChatGPT will provide you with great insights like your competitor top 3 most viewed videos, reformatted and organized data, patterns in top performing videos, and it will even give you suggested topics based on patterns. It will give you plenty of ideas that you could work with for your own channel. Literally, there you have it. This is the blueprint that is making people money every day, but don't click off yet because we just getting started. Now we moving on to step 3, which is writing the script. Once that's done, we will need our second prompt, which you can find all of that in the Google Doc down in the description below. Now that we have copied the prompt from the Google Docs, we need to go back to ChatGPT and paste our prompt. Wait for it to do its thing. It will take time, so just be patient. If you get any error or anything that interrupts ChatGPT, then just refresh the page and try again. Once it's done, you will now have to give it some examples. Now head over to the channel again. Click on the 3 dots next to video and hit share. Copy the link, then head over to Google and type Google Transcript. Click on the first website and it should look a little bit something like this. What this website does is that it gets any video's transcript for you in seconds. Paste the link that we copied to the clipboard, then hit enter. In a matter of seconds, you will have yourself the transcript of the video. This is by far the best way to get transcripts for any video on YouTube. I used to use this when analyzing my competitors' videos, but don't worry because this time ChatGPT will be doing all the work for us. Once it's done, click on copy. Go back to the channel so we can check the name of the video, as we will need to provide ChatGPT with that later on. Now go back to ChatGPT, then write the title of the video along with the prompt that we copied like this. The topic is The Secrets of the Most Powerful Witch Baba Yaga. Here is an example script for styling. Then hit Ctrl+V to paste the script, then hit enter. Be patient and wait for it to do it. So basically what ChatGPT has done is that it's analyzed all the data that we have provided it with, so it can write an entire script for us using common patterns and styles from our competitors. Just like that, you have an entire script, but we're not done yet. Now we need to write each outline section. So on ChatGPT, write the following prompt. Okay, thanks. Now let's start by writing the hook and stakes for this video. Hit enter, then wait. Okay, once done, check it out if it fits your style. If so, tell it that it sounds good. Let's move into the contents, then hit enter. Let it finish up its process. Then you should be ready to go. Also, just to say, if you're not happy with the results it provides you with, you can always edit your script so it can fit your style. You can use words like make it shorter or longer, depending on the kind of result you want. But anyways, you could use things like Word or Grammarly to edit the final draft, so just copy your scripts to either software. I use Word, just because I've been using it for the longest time now. But anyways, paste the script there, stitch the script accordingly and revise, and voila, you have a script for your video. Just a reminder to edit the script so it don't sound like an old philosopher. Remember, no matter what this gurus tell you 100%, AI-generated content is simply not yet good enough. They call it AI tools for a reason, and hammer on its own can't build in house, but wielded by an craftsman, it can build in palace. But enough chit-chat now that we done with the script, it's time to move to step 4, which is the voiceover. So for our voiceover, we will use 11 labs, but first I want to address a not-so-serious issue that people tend to make an issue about for no reason. Now I've seen a lot of people asking if AI voiceovers can be monetized, and the short answer is, it depends. See, in the past, yes, YouTube had problems with AI voiceover because of the lack of its authenticity and robotic sounds. But thanks to softwares like 11 Labs, YouTube has eased the restriction and people are able to get away with AI voiceovers. Because of its ultra-realist voices, it is so good to the point where distinguishing them from human voices can be challenging. I don't know about other softwares yet, but if we're talking about 11 Labs, then yes, you can monetize with it. In fact, this very same video is featured by one of 11 Labs AI voiceovers. So head over to 11 Labs and sign up for a free account if you haven't already. Then click on the voice library, where you will find hundreds of different voices you could choose from. Pick one that you think would suit the tone and style of your video. I chose this one called Arnold, because I think it is similar to the one they used on their channel. It sounds cool, and would set a really great theme for the video. There are lots you can do, so play around with the settings till you get the satisfying one you're looking for. For example, you can increase the pitch or lower it. There is also an option for stability and similarity. Just check to see what suits best. Another feature 11 Labs offers is their voice cloning, where you can clone your own AI voice over using your voice. I've used this feature before and it left me laughing dead on my couch, but if you feel like you have a pretty good voice, then by all means, use that feature. There's plenty more that 11 Labs offers that is included in the paid plan, but if you're just getting started, the free plan will do just great. Anyways, now that we have our voice over it, time to move on to the next step. But before we do that, if you feel like you're gaining a lot of value from this video, then please make sure to subscribe and drop a like. This indicates to me that you guys enjoy this type of content and that I should make more of it. Okay, back to the video. Step 5. Visuals. Now there are plenty of great AI image generators or video generators, whatever you want to call it. For example, DubDub, Leonardo, and Midjourney, even though it's not free anymore. All are still great places to get visuals, but I'm going to use Krea for this video. On their free plan, they offer 50 image generations per day and 10 video generations per day, which should just be enough for us. So head over to their website, then sign up for a free account if you haven't already. On the homepage, you can click on Real-Time Instant AI Image Generation, or hover your mouse on Generate, then click on the real-time icon. Either way, it's one and the same thing. Okay, but now we need ideas for our images. So go back to ChatGPT and ask it to provide visuals for the story. To be exact, ask it to provide you with 10 text prompts for Krea AI featuring Greek mythology and beautiful goddess of Greece, Aphrodite. Copy the first prompt and head back over to Krea. Click on Text to Image and delete any text if there is one in the text box, then paste the first prompt in the text box provided below. Now this is where things get interesting. On your right, you can filter the image according to your preference, for example like photo, concept, CGI, and cartoon. There is also an option for HD right here if you have the paid membership, but the free version is all that we need for now. But for our type of story, I think the concept one should be perfect once done. You can click on Send to enhance and upscale, then choose this option. Once all is done, click on Download. Repeat this for all our prompts, and if you encounter any issues, just change the prompt to fit your needs. Also, I want to share with you another option that I think will be really cool to use, and that is the image-to-image option. This, what you can do is give Krea an example of an image that you want, together with a prompt. For example, you could go to Google, then search for any keyword, search for an image that you like, then download it. Go back to Krea, then upload that image. Once done, write in prompt to accompany your picture in the text box below. This way, Krea will try to combine your image with the prompt to find an appealing match for you. I use this method to generate some of my images, and I would recommend you too. There is other option like screen to image and camera to image. Test it out for yourself. I didn't have the time, but check it out for yourself. You never know what you could be missing out on. But once you have all your images downloaded, like mine's here, it is time to add motions to the images for that extra engagement. So to animate the images, we're going to be using Krea's AI video generation. There is this cool feature Krea offers that I would really like to show y'all. Now click on AI video generation, then click on the settings icon. From there, change your aspect ratio to 16.9 and set the clip duration to 10. You can also turn off loop video, but I will keep mine on for now. Okay, once that's done, if there is any clip on the timeline or text, just delete them all. Once that's done, let's get cooking. Let's import all our images by clicking Add Keyframe, add all the images, then hit Generate Video. But first, only do this for 2 images at a time since the clip duration for the free version is 10 seconds, so set each clip to 5 seconds each. Then finally click Generate Video. Once it's done, you can keep it that way, or you can upscale. Download the video, then keep doing the same process with all your images till we have a fully ready story. Now for my favorite part of them all is to put everything together. But first, something is missing. Can you guess what it is? Music. We need to add a song to our story. So just head over to a website called Pexabyte. This is a place where you can get free music, stock footage, or videos without having to worry about copyright strikes in your video. So search for something like Mythology and Legends and filter it to songs. You will get a bunch of results. Look for the one you think would fit the theme of our story. Found this really cool one which sets in great sound for a dark and mysterious atmosphere. Download the song that you like. And finally, the moment I've been waiting for, step 6, which is editing. For the editing, I will be using Capcut, but feel free to use whatever editing software you're familiar with. But anyways, open up the Capcut on your desktop and start a new project. Go to the settings and set the aspect ratio to 16.9, as that is YouTube's standard format. Now let's import our content from the images, voiceover, and the music. Bring them all done to our timeline, and let's get cooking. I won't be going too much in detail of how I edited the video, because that will be too long. But to put it simple, I just added some transitions here and there, used the noise 2 effect cause that's what it seems like they were using for their videos. Added some color grading, pacing, and sound effects. Just make sure to make a good edit that stands out and grabs your viewer's attention. Don't make a low-effort, mediocre AI video. It won't work. You will need to put in a little bit of hard work. Literally, when you done, just export, choose 1080p, and you are good to go. Name the video file accordingly, as that will help us with the SEO later. Open up your YouTube Studio, drag and drop your video file, and it should immediately start uploading while that's busy. Now let's make an eye-catching thumbnail. For this, you can use Canva. They have thousands of custom templates you could pick from. Start a new project and search for YouTube thumbnail, click on it. This will automatically give us YouTube's standard video dimension. What I like to do a lot is go to my competitor's channel and seek for inspiration from their thumbnail to make my own custom one. On your left, you have a navigation bar. Make use of it. For example, add text. brightness, and whatever that will resonate with your target audience. So here is my thumbnail. Now all I will literally do is download the thumbnail and upload it to my video. Now stop right there, we're not done yet. We still have to some SEO for YouTube to understand what our video is about and for which audience it should recommend our videos to. And I know most of y'all just choose to ignore this step. But hear me out first, your video can be the best in the world, but how will people find it if you don't optimize it for search? So, step 7, SEO. Again, we will be revisiting our old friend Vid IQ. So go to Vid IQ and click on AI Couch. Then ask it to give you within list of trending keywords for a Mythology and Legends related video. Now copy the list, go back to YouTube and paste all of these words in the tags box right here. Now tell it to generate an appropriate description for this video, and make sure to tell it to include popular keywords. Copy and paste it. Then we are all set to go. Literally click publish. And there you go, our first video is live. And to show you proof of how you can monetize such a channel, I want to show you another channel that is doing the same thing called Mysteries of Mythology. They only have 36 videos and have 14,000 subscribers, and are making serious money too. Probably even more just by looking at their views. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a lot from it too. If you're interested in making a realistic talking animation like mine, then click on the video shown on the screen. Till next time, peace.